Hi, welcome to Eileen who got yoga. Now we're gonna do a yoga break, like a midday yoga break. It's either before having your lunch, or something that you do because at least a lot of you are always now working from home. So something that you can do while on your chair. So today we're gonna use a chair for our yoga practice. So for now, we're gonna come to a seated pose on your chair. Make sure you're flat, your feet is flat on the floor, and then let's just lengthen the spine. Let's hug the belly in, pull the belly in as much as you can, and then lift the chest up. Let's inhale first through your nose. Exhale with your mouth open. Trying to relax the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale with your mouth open. Inhale, let your belly rise. Ribs rise, chest rise. Exhale. Exhale with your mouth open. And then start to breathe here. Inhale. Keeping your lips closed, exhale. And then just continue to breathe. Let's start here. Let's inhale our hands up. Spread the fingers, lift the chest. Interlace your fingers, push your palms up. Stretch the wrist, and then you can slowly rock your body side to side here first. Stretching the side of your body. And then from here, come back to center. You're going to release the left hand down towards the chair. You're going to grab the bottom of your chair. You're going to bring your right hand on top of the head. And then as you pull the head down, try to notice if your belly, if you're overarching your back, maybe you need to bring the navel into your spine. Bring your head towards the right side. As you hold onto the chair, feel the stretch, so that you feel a lot of the stretch on the shoulders. You can turn your head side to side, and then when you do this, you will notice that the stretch slowly shifts towards the side, and then when you tilt your head more down, and then towards the back. Okay, we'll stretch towards the other side, grabbing onto the chair, pulling your chest up, pulling the navel in so you're not overarching, and then leaning towards the left side, bringing your head towards the left. Feeling the stretch, and then you can also turn your head side to side. Just to stretch the neck. Hi Jessica, how are you? Hi Stuti, how are you? Who's there? Oh, Camille. Hi Camille. You're still not sleeping. Okay. From there, we're going to slowly come back up. Let's bring the right ankle on top of your left knee. Lengthen the spine, chest up. And then try to drive the right knee down towards the floor. Lift the chest up. Exhale. You're going to slowly fold. And you'll feel a lot on the stretch on your glutes. Your choice, it's either you stay steady and just focus on folding down, or you can rock your body side to side. Okay, if this is a lot already because your knee is up here, stay. If it's not much, you have an option to come to a twist. Let's bring the right hand towards the outside of your right foot. Make sure you're flexing your foot. And then you're gonna slide it down up to the elbow. If this is not possible, just stay where you can stay. But for some who can access this pose, go ahead and then bring your elbow and then push it out as you bring your hands together. Lift the chest up. Breathe here. So this is like a big stretch also to the right side of the body. One more breath. Okay, slowly come back up. And then we'll switch side. Right foot down. Left ankle on top. flex your foot, hold onto the base of your chair, lift the chest up, and then try to push that left knee down towards the mat. As you lift the chest up, you're gonna slowly bring your chest forward. If this is a lot already, I can feel a lot of the stretch on my glutes. You can stay here, you can rock your body side to side. And we'll stay here for a couple of breaths before we come to a twist. Okay, now when you're shifting forward, let's bring our left arm towards the outside of our left foot. Slide it down. And then as we slide it down, we're gonna pull and lift the chest up. Maybe you can hook the elbow, bring your hands together, and push and twist. Lift the chest, breathe here. Keep your legs strong. For 3, 2, and 1. Okay, that's a big stretch for your shoulders as well. I felt it on my shoulders and my hips. You might feel in other places. Okay. From here, we're gonna come to our side angle pose. I hope the chair that you're using doesn't have a armrest. So we're gonna bring the right foot out to the side and then try to find a space where you're able to flatten your foot down. And then you're gonna bring the other leg towards the left side of your chair, like in a warrior two. Now, if your foot is floating, just try to press as far as you can. But if you have a block, you can put a block. I have a block. I can put a block. You can put a block at the bottom of your foot because I'm that short. But if you can reach for your foot down, go ahead, reach for the foot down. So I'll put the block under my foot. Make sure my ankle is right under my knee. Okay. And then I'm going to bring my elbow down to my knee. And then will push and lift. And then try to pull the belly in. Reach my left arm over my head. Reaching away. And then pushing away from the right shoulder. Feeling the stretch. As I'm reaching my left arm up, I'm pressing my left heel down, feeling the stretch. Now bringing my hand behind my head and then spinning my chest open and breathing here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from there, slowly come back up. And then I'm gonna bring my right elbow on top of my left elbow, wrapping my arms. As I wrap my arms, I'm gonna lift the elbows up, hands away from my face. And then I'm gonna tilt this towards the left side as I bring my head to the right. So I feel the stretch on my neck, shoulders, and breathe here. For 3, 2, 1. Okay, from there, slowly stretch, lift the chest up, and then we'll switch to the other side. I'm gonna bring this block towards the opposite because I'm petite like that. I cannot reach for the floor. Okay, bending my left knee, pressing my right foot out. Oops, moving this foot back, finding a warrior two positioning. Pulling the belly in, and then bending the left knee. Try to lift your pubic bone up so you're engaging your core. Arms out. Broaden your collarbone like in warrior two, and then let's bring the left elbow down. Right arm over your head. Try to press the right leg straight. Even if you're on a chair, this is where you can start to learn putting effort on that back foot by pressing the foot, the right knee backwards so that you feel engagement of your glutes. Reach your right arm over your head, push away, and then spin your chest open. Breathe here. For 5. You can also bring your hand behind the head, lift it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from there, coming back up. Let's bring our right elbow. Did I do it? Okay, right elbow on top of your left. And then reach my hands up. And then I'm gonna bring my arms towards the right side as okay, it's the opposite. I felt the difference. Left elbow. So I bring my arms to the right. Okay. I bring my arms to the left. Okay, I'm confused already. Or maybe it's my right shoulder that is really tight. Breathe. So try to feel which side works for you. Okay, there. So I bring my left elbow, my arms to the left, and my head to the right. So I feel the stretch on my left side. Okay, release. Lift the chest up. Squeeze the shoulder blades. And then bring your hands down. Oh, I feel a lot of engagement even if I'm sitting down. It actually helps you become more aware of the other muscles. Okay, lastly, we will stretch our back into a downward facing dog position with a chair. So grab the base of your chair and then you're going to push your hips back. Drop the head in between the arms. You can bend one knee after the other, swinging your hips side to side. Stretching, you can walk your feet back, bend your knee, and then you can pivot your heel in and stretch the sides of your body. And then switching. Okay. After all that, it's just a quick midday stretch. Then maybe, hopefully, you are able to go back to work again. Okay, you already stretched the shoulders, you already stretched the neck, and I hope you have a great day. Hands in front of your heart. Take a deep breath here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Namaste. Thank you for joining me again. And I hope you have a great day and I hope to see you again later. Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.